What's going on, family? You know I'm back with another one. Check this out right here. I got a special video for y'all today. Check this out. This is what we got to work with, and that's what we're going for right there. Start your car up and straighten out your steering wheel. 'Cause once you take this off, it's done. Then we can turn her off and pop the hood. With your 8mm, take off your positive battery cable. So now there's two ways we can execute this. With one of these little T30 Torx bit on the back of the steering wheel, this hole right here, right there, just like that. Once you got both of your screws loose, this guy should pop off. This yellow clip is your airbag. Make sure, triple check, quadruple check, make sure you disconnect your battery. To remove this clip, pull this green thing out, push down, pull out. Okay, so now normally this piece is connected and it's inside of this hole here. There's a little tab right here, if you can tell, a little tab. All you have to do is push down and twist and that guy will come straight out. This one was already disconnected, so we didn't get to see that process. But now set your airbag to the side. Won't be needing this. We may need this piece here for the horn. Now we have this nut we have to get off. So you have a 21mm. All you got to do is hold your steering wheel straight and crack this nut loose. Now I need both of my hands, so now what I set up was this harmonic balancer puller, or what you call a flywheel puller. You can use a steering wheel puller. There's a few things that works in this scenario, but this is the basic setup here. You have two screws into the steering wheel, and then you have this one big screw here that's going to push on that center nut and pull the steering wheel out. These two bolts I'm using, by the way, are M8 by 1.25, and they're 45mm in length. And it's that easy, man. That guy comes off. As you can see, that is my setup there. Now, what we want to do is, you see this snap ring right here? We want to unsnap that so that we can get this little module off. So with simple snap ring pliers, also have like some universal ones. These are from Harbor Freight, where they come with multiple different tips. I've also used simply 2 screwdrivers, 2 flatheads, but this is the easiest way to take care of this. So basically get these in here. This module should now just slide up. Once you got this off, I cut the wires. By the way, if you're gonna cut these wires and they're gonna be inside here, make sure you cap them so they do not touch each other at any point in time. This is where you'll need your steering wheel adapter. So let me grab that and then I'll get back with you. We got that taken care of. Now, What you're gonna have to buy is a universal adapter. Comes with your screws, horn stuff, and then the adapter itself. These grooves are interfering with this sitting 100% flush. So we're gonna have to shave those flat. Once you got that nut nice and tight, we are going to go ahead and start disassembling this. Now that that adapter's on, man, check out this steering wheel. We're gonna throw this guy on real quick. At this point here, this adapter works for a 6-bolt steering wheel as well as a 5-bolt steering wheel. So with the universal adapter, any steering wheel that you pick will still work in this situation. So what we got going on, I'm gonna go ahead and put these screws on, and we'll put the face on. The horn will be assembled and on, but as of right now it doesn't work, and that is because of that piece that I showed you in the beginning, that plastic piece that slots into the hole that you push in and twist. It was broken before this steering wheel got installed, so we have to do something different to get that guy to work. But as of now, for video's sake, what you'll see is this steering wheel being installed and put on, everything being assembled in the final product. So let's cut to that and see how this thing looks. I think they look. This is what was there before, and that is what. So family, that's it, man. That's how you can replace your factory steering wheel with something like this, man. And I think it fits the car well. Right now everything is red, but in the future this will no longer look like this. So this is what you're kind of looking at here. This is what was there before, and that is what we're working with now. Thank you for watching the video. You know, stay locked in with me. I'm keep on posting stuff for you guys, so I appreciate all the love, all the support. Leave a comment down below. Man, give me some tips and tricks if you've done this before. Also, let me know if you guys want to see how to get a detachable steering wheel. I feel like the steering wheel is a little too far away. I want to put a quick release steering wheel on here, just for video's sake, man. And yeah, so thank you for watching my videos, man. Peace.